we are going to take your finished Canva presentation and turn it into a high-quality MP4 video file in under 60 seconds. The process is straightforward, but there is a major catch you need to keep in mind regarding your animations. First, open up your Canva dashboard and click directly on the presentation you want to convert. Once your project loads on the screen, look at the top right corner of the interface and click on the button that says Share. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down this list to where it says Download and click on that option. Canva will automatically suggest a file type for you, but you need to click on that drop-down menu and manually select MP4 video. This ensures your presentation plays smoothly as a single continuous movie file rather than a static slideshow. Now, here is the important trade-off with this method. Turning your presentation into a video locks in your timing. In my case, each slide defaults to 5 seconds, which means your viewers lose the ability to read at their own pace. If you have a lot of text, you must adjust the timing of each individual slide before hitting download, or your audience will get cut off. If you are happy with the timing, look down at the Select Pages option and ensure all pages are checked. Finally, move your cursor down to the purple download button at the bottom of the menu and click it. Canva will now process your video. Do not close your browser tab while the progress bar fills up. Once it finishes, the video file will automatically save to your computer downloads folder. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.